Morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Here's some Jason YK again. So last week, this was the setup I dropped on this channel last week, which we're able to book how many pips from air to air is about 1,380 pips, which I want to believe many of you use the opportunity. But if you miss out from that video, you can check it out on my channel. This was the setup, which were actually last week. The market was on the third touch of this trend, which we have the first touch here, the second was here, and this was the third. So, which I said there will be a reaction around this area on the third touch. Either the market should break out from here and you wait for retracement and take it down, or there should be a pattern here and we take it up to this point, and here there was a reaction on this trend line, which was when I did live on YouTube. If you guys are not on my free Telegram channel, you're missing a lot. On Tuesday, I go live on YouTube, Tuesday or Wednesday. On Tuesday, we're live and we took this trade. We took this trade on Tuesday. So, which I think the setup is around here. This was the setup for Tuesday from here to here. And we're expecting a drop from here. So the market broke out and went up straight. So we were able to take this buy on a Tuesday. So in case you miss it, don't miss this week setup. On Tuesday, I'll be live again this week, so don't miss out from that. So without wasting much of our time, I'll just go straight to what we have for this. I'll just go straight to what we have for this week. So moving forward for this week, firstly, let's check the forest factory to know what's going to happen, because by tomorrow on the 20th, Donald Trump will be sworn in as the president of the US, and we know what that can happen, what the effect can be on US30. So let's just check the news for this week, for the whole week. This is Forest Factory, www.forestfactory.com. So this is on Monday. There is no news on Monday, and this is on Tuesday, on the 21st. We have CPI. We have CPI on Tuesday. Wednesday, there is nothing. On Thursday, Friday, it's all red. So this week, it's all red week. I call it red week. So we should be expecting some massive reaction from the market for this week. So how can we make better use of this election that the US president will be sworn in tomorrow? So let's just see how we can use the opportunity to take some stuff from the market. So let me just go straight to the weekly. Let's go straight to the weekly and see what the candle is telling us. If you observe it very well from the weekly, this is the weekly reaction from the candle. Let me bring out a trend line. If you check it, this first touch, second touch, third touch, where the market actually moved from last week. So for the whole of this week, the market was actually bullish without any restriction. It was a whole bullish week here. So now, moving forward, if you look at it very well, let's just try to identify some zones from the market, and let's see. On a weekly base, the market is bullish. Let's drop it down to the daily and see what's going on the daily. I'm actually live with some of my students also, so in case you're seeing this Zoom, So this is the daily. Let's drop it down and let's identify some key areas, key levels. Yeah, this is another one on the daily. And We've got another one here. We've got another one here. From our confluences, we have this trend line here. We have the key levels, which we also have here. And we have another one here. So let's make use of Fibonacci. Looking at this market on a daily, let me drop it. Looking at this market on a daily, you can boldly see that the market was on uptrend here. There was a retracement here that occurred from this side, which we have, if we look at Fibonacci from here, we have the retracement at 61.8. Okay. So now, presently, the market is going back to the trend, which is on a bullish level. Now we've got this, which is on 50% here. Okay. So, but because of the president of US that will be sworn in tomorrow, I'm expecting some positive reaction from the market, which means we might have more bullish this week, which means we might have more bullish this week. We all understand what happened when the election took place. The market was so bullish. It was so bullish, you know. So I'm expecting similar things this week. Let's just look at where the market is going to next. Where the market is going to next, let's check it out from here up to here. Market might be heading towards this direction. Mr. Seedorf, what's going on with your network? You're going in and out. The market might be heading towards that red line, and take it or leave it. The market might be so bullish this week to the extent that it will get to that level, because I'm expecting some very, very high positive reaction from the market this week. If you look at it on a daily, the market has been so bullish, bullish, bullish. There was a little retracement here from this key level. There was retracement here from this key level, which dropped it for a few, and then there was a breakout here. So if the market should open, I'm expecting either the market will gap up, either it will gap up or it will just continue. So this is my take on the market for this week. Let's drop it down to 4 hours. Let's drop it down to 4 hours and see. 4 hours. 4 hours. If you are not on my free Telegram channel, man, you're missing. You're missing. You're missing. And that's just it. That's all I've got to say about that. Moving forward to 4 hours, there was actually a bearish trend line which got broken from here. There was a bearish trend line which got broken from here. From here. We actually had this during live. Yeah, on Tuesday. So what I'll be expecting now is, can we have a mini trend line here? It's still a valid one. This is still valid. Trust me. That's still a valid trend line. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. So I might be expecting this from the market this week. This reaction, this is 4 hours, mind you. Market should just do something like this. And then maybe a pattern here. And we take it up to this point. That's number one. Or market can just give us straight up to this level. But all the same, if the market should get here, we should expect a reaction as well. The market cannot just break this place and ignore it and then jump up. So we should be expecting some reaction from there, which will have something like this. Little retracement like this, little retracement like this, like this, like this. So what I'll be expecting from the market, for this week. which is how many pips? My first take profit level is gonna be 1,150 pips. Second take profit level is gonna be 1,750 pips, and the last one is gonna be over 3,000 pips. Fine, the market might not get to that 3,000 pips this week, but I'm expecting over 1,000 pips this week from this market. This week, I'm expecting over 3,000 pips. But another thing that can happen, although I'm expecting the buy, I'm not expecting the other way around. But if the other way around should happen, then based on this Fibonacci, this is 50% already. If the other way should happen, then we can have something like this, a drop here, and we take it down. I'm not expecting this, but we are not predicting. We analyze and do and react to what we see on the market. I'm not expecting this drop, but in case this happens, just watch out for this. So that is more reason why you need to join the Telegram channel so that I can carry you guys along whenever we are changing the bias. If you check out what we did this week, it was actually very great. And it's free of charge to join the Telegram. The link is going to be under the description of this video. Just like I said, I'm not expecting this drop. I'm expecting this positive reaction from the market, which is because the president of US is going to be sworn in tomorrow, Donald Trump, and I'm expecting a positive reaction from the market, which is to take it up. Okay, if you've got any question, you can drop it under the comment section or you can drop it on the Telegram. Note again, I don't take account management. If anybody is asking you to send that money to my account, to their account, claiming to be me, it can never be me. I don't do account management. So please, let's be very, very careful about this. Okay. So on Tuesday again, I'll be live on Tuesday. My signal is $60 per month. So just like I said, I was gonna post it this week. I've been very busy, so there's no time. But this month, I will try my best to post everything that I have for you guys this year. Okay, so on Tuesday again, I'll be live on YouTube to trade live with you guys. So make sure you don't miss out. It's gonna be around 3 p.m. GMT +1. Okay, so don't miss out from it. If you've got any question, feel free to ask. Okay, guys, so till I come your way again, this is Jason, signing out. Peace out.